In front of me is Realme 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for the pop-up to show. When it does, click on it and confirm your choice in this pop-up to remove your widget by hitting remove. So when I do that, as you can see, mine was successfully deleted. If you ever wanna restore it, hold your display and wait for all of those options at the bottom to show. Then select widgets at the bottom left corner. Hit agree and continue in statement of use pop-up and scroll to look for Google App. Click on it, swipe to the left to find your search bar, and when you do, hit add below it. Then hold it and place it wherever you want to. When you finished, let go and tap on home button, or simply let go if you can't see any pop-up or this line. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!